I'm Sharon at Security Supplies. One of the frequently asked questions we're asked is what comes in a enforcer kit. This is a kit 700. You get a control panel, bell box, 4 PIRs and a contact. This is a kit 400. You get a control panel, a bell box, 2 PIRs, 2 fobs, 1 door contact.
And this is a kit 600 where you get the same as the other 2 kits less the wireless bell box. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like any more information, you can visit us here at our trade counter in the Hillington Industrial Estate, call us on 0141 882 2941 or visit our website at www.securitysuppliescotland.co.uk. Thanks for watching.